don't think there's any getting away from this boulder here without bringing someone in extra. Giant rocks will have to go. That bookcase actually allows access to a small hidden closet. That door opens up directly to the front door. Driveway path is pretty clear.